Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing something that I haven't really done before on my channel. I mean, yes, I've tried on like all kinds of different extensions in the past. I've worked with many companies in the past with extensions, but this one is going to be a little bit differently. This one is about extensions that I didn't even know existed, to be honest. And yes, these were all bought. No one is sponsoring me. No one sent these to me for free. This is all something that I really wanted to do, and I figured it would make kind of a cool video. About 3 years ago now, I bought a huge pack of single loop braid-in dreads. And dreads were something that I have always liked. Dreads are something that I have personally always wanted to try, but I never wanted to personally dread my own real hair because that can come with a lot of damage and a lot of maintenance. I'm someone who washes my hair every single day in the shower. Don't come for me. I've always been that way and I'm not changing my ways. And I know with dreadlocks you can't necessarily do that, so I wanted something that was going to be easier, something that wasn't necessarily permanent. So about 3 years ago I braided in, well actually I had my sister help me, but I braided in almost like a full head of dreadlocks. And I never made a video on it. I never really posted any pictures with them because I was just trying them out, and it was like 3 years ago now. My little itch for dreadlocks has come back, and I wanted to do it differently this time. I didn't necessarily want to braid them in. When I had them braided in, it wasn't that bad, but it was still kind of a pain in the ass to the point where I didn't really want to deal with that again, and I still didn't want to dread my real hair. And I'm the kind of person where I like to switch up my hair, but I don't ever want to change the color. I just like to do little things. Like I was talking about my hair or dreadlocks or something in one of my videos, and someone said, oh, are you ever gonna get dreadlocks again? And I said, no, blah, blah, blah. Like I went on this huge rant, and someone replied to it and said, why don't you just get clip-in dreadlocks? And I was like, what? Like, those exist? Those are a thing? Clip-in dreadlocks are a thing? You're telling me I can clip in and out dreadlocks whenever I feel like it? Sign my ass up. So I decided to do a little bit of Googling, and when I typed in clip-in dreadlock extensions, the first site that came up was Etsy. And when I went on Etsy, I started looking through a bunch of different people who make these synthetic clip-in dreadlocks, and I came across this company, which is HED Headquarters, and this is alternative hairdressing, and they do custom handmade synthetic dreadlocks. They ship worldwide, they have fitting available, and here is their social media if you want to pause this and follow them. They do so many different things. They can do custom colors for you. They can do custom lengths. I went with the standard 18 inches in length, and I got 4 dreads per clip. I can't do math, but here is basically what one clip looks like. It's basically just like a hair extension clip where open it and you clip it in your hair and snap it into place. And the dreads look pretty legit. So I got 1, 2, 3 of the 4 dreads per clip, and I also decided I wanted to add a little bit of color to my dreads because just getting black, that's just kind of boring to me, and I want to switch things up. So I decided to go with this color, which is, I believe it's called Autumn something on the Etsy shop, but this is such a gorgeous color, and I think it would contrast really well with the black. And I just got 2 of the 4 per clips of those, and these are the exact same. They just clip open and close like clip-in extensions. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna try dreadlock extensions. Is this a stupid video idea? Maybe. Am I excited about it? Fuck yeah. Right, so first off, here is my natural hair. It comes down maybe like 2-3 inches past my boobs, almost down to my belly button, and just holding it up to my head, it looks like this is a pretty good length as far as the inches go, so 18 inches is pretty decent for me. So I think I'm going to clip this one up here. Ooh, it actually adds a lot of volume to your hair. Like, do you see all that volume just from the clip? Okay. Right off the bat, they do feel a little bit heavier than normal extensions because dreads are literally like teased hair that's tightly woven together. So it does feel a little bit heavier, but I feel like if I teased my hair a little bit where I put the clip, it wouldn't feel as bad. So far, not bad. I think I'm gonna clip this one on the other side. And the clips feel really tight and oh my God, I'm already fucking obsessed. Do you see that? Oh my God, I want like 80 more. Oh my gosh, this looks fucking cool, dude. And they have so many different colors. Like if you're someone who has like bright blue hair, you can get custom made bright blue dread extensions. Like how fucking sweet is that? Ooh, I think I'm gonna put one of the autumn ones back here. And you can get like 3 dreads per clip or 1 dread per clip. Like that you can totally get whatever you want. And I think it takes like a week or so for them to be made. Definitely have to do quite a bit of teasing with your hair in order to hide these because it just, I feel like it would be easier. But the clips feel really good and secure. Oh my God, I love the pop of color. Fuck yeah. So here are what the dreads look like clipped into my hair. Like I said, they are a little bit heavier than just traditional extensions, that's for sure. Another thing is you have to do quite a bit of teasing of your real hair in order to get these to kind of hide a little bit better. Like if I had like a beanie on right now, like you wouldn't have to worry about that. But if you weren't gonna wear any sort of hat, you would definitely have to tease your hair quite a bit. Okay, so now what I wanna do is I wanna put my hair in a ponytail because that's like the look that I love with dreadlocks. So to do that, basically, you take the extensions and instead of putting them in like this, you put them in upside down. I know it's like hard to see what I'm doing, but clipping them in my head like that. Right here, black one, the last one, right here. And then you basically just take the rest of your hair up. Oh, yeah! My dumbass forgot to get a hair tie. BRB. Ooh, that's a lot of fucking hair, dude. Alright, and then just for a little extra protection, just take this and clip it up. Oh! Yes. 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 Yes, bitch. This is the look that this is like the reason why I got these is because I'm so obsessed with the way dreadlocks look in a ponytail. Like can we just take a fucking minute? It doesn't hurt. Like it's not gonna give me a headache. It's just, I can just tell that there's something in my hair, but it's not bad. And I mean, they're in there pretty securely. Like I can fucking rock and shit. I am gonna have to really work with my hair and make sure that I have it teased enough to wear them down and in front because it's just so thin that I have kind of a hard time them, you know, staying in place. We'll definitely have to do that and let you guys know how it looks. I'll probably post pictures on my Instagram, so make sure you go follow me on Instagram. I do upload pictures pretty often on there. So it was me trying on dreadlock extensions. What do you guys think? Do you like them? Like them? Not like them? You guys will have to let me know down below what you think. If you guys enjoyed this fun, different little video, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you are new here and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. You upload every 3 to 4 days on this channel. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for watching. I have a hair in my mouth. I will see you all very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!